thank our Kyrgyz hosts for bringing us together to improve economic connectivity and prosperity. The Council meeting of the U.S. Central Asian Trade and Investment Framework Agreement and the C5+1 Economic and Regional Connectivity Working Group will enhance cooperation and foster an open environment for trade and investment.
Мы не делаем каких-то исключений и каких-то тех сфер, где мы не могли бы сотрудничать. Мы будем сотрудничать по всему спектру двустороннего сотрудничества.
These high-level engagements are excellent opportunities for the region to develop solutions for durable, dynamic economic growth. They will advance issues of shared interest and provide a framework for our governments to continue cooperation on important economic issues. Most importantly, they will promote job growth and facilitate business across the region. The United States is proud to be a partner in these efforts, and as we celebrate our 25th year of relations, we are grateful for the partnerships we have developed with each country in Central Asia.
We're going to talk about economic growth and connectivity, the environment, regional security and stability, and the human dimension.
In 2015, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and the Kyrgyz Republic, together with the United States, signed a joint declaration of partnership and cooperation, known as the Samarkand Declaration. Together, TIFA and C5+1 will deepen economic cooperation and bolster trade throughout Central Asia. TIFA and C5+1, prosperity through partnership.